Samsung is going all in the Galaxy Watch 5. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is well awaited watch since we are started getting rumors about it. Meanwhile, we may see 3 models this time with the Galaxy Watch 5, and it is also confirmed that Samsung is working with Google to make the software for Galaxy Watch 5. According to Samsung history of launch, we may see Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 in August 2022 along with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4. But things are getting interesting when we get to know about new health features that Samsung is going to introduce in upcoming Galaxy Watch 5. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Galaxy Watch 5 or 5 Pro, which one you want to get. According to Sam Mobile website, we may get 3 models of Galaxy Watch 5. Last year it was only 2. Now they claim that if this is going to happen, then we are going to see Galaxy Watch 5, Galaxy Watch 5 Classic and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. But they are not confirmed about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and also stated that Samsung may dump this version near the launch. Meanwhile, they also claims to have a bigger battery of Galaxy Watch 5 compared to Galaxy Watch 4. Because last year people were complaining about the battery of Galaxy Watch 4. According to them, if Pro model is there, then we are going to get 572 mAh battery, which is big update over last year 361 mAh on Watch 4. Nearly a 60% increase in battery of Galaxy Watch 5. But it is not confirmed if this model exists or not. Samsung is also working with Google to make a better Wear OS this time. Last year they collabed for the software and this year's also. And if this is going to happen, then we may see Galaxy Watch 5 OS in Google I/O event on 11th of May 2022. A big feature that Samsung is thinking of putting in the Galaxy Watch 5 is measuring temperature. According to the Korean news, Samsung has devised a technology that can measure body temperatures as accurately as possible, but no official statement by Samsung on it. A long battery with new temperature features and Wear OS, this could potentially a good deal for Samsung consumers and they might get it. Fingers are crossed and let's hope Samsung will bring something new to the table. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Galaxy Watch 5 or 5 Pro. Which one you wanna get? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.